I've upgraded my Spirit HD to a Freecom 2X. Let me tell you why. The Spirit HD was a very nice unit to start off with, but we ended up getting the Freecom 2X from Cardo South Africa. Now, the main difference between the two is the live wire intercom and the JBL speakers. The Freecom 2 comes out with JBL speakers as compared to the Spirit HD, just normal basic speakers. The other nice thing that I love about this is the live intercom system. So basically that means if you guys are riding in a pair and let's say one guy gets stuck at a robot and the other guy passes the robot, then you guys lose that connection because of you guys go out of the distance in between each other. When you guys get closer within the range, then it reconnects automatically. With the Spirit HD, that is not available with this unit, but from the Freecom 2X right out till the Pack Talk, that's all available. That over there, that's the Spirit HD, as you can see. Then that's the Freecom 2X. That really looks good. So let's do a bit of an unboxing video. I've already installed one on my helmet right there, but that was a Spirit HD. So all I'm going to do is take this unit, plug it on the helmet, and then take the JBL speakers inside of this box, and then just plug them inside my helmet and my other helmet. If you guys want a full tutorial on how to install a Cardo unit into your helmet, let me know, and then I'll do another full video. It's very simple. You don't even need any tools. You can do it all by hand. It just uses clips and plugs in. And whew, you know what? I must say, Cardo really took their time in this packaging. This is really, really nice. It feels good too. You can see that they took their time in crafting and thinking about this. So this is the duo pack. So duo meaning two, but obviously this is, obviously it's a duo, so I took this one out just for demonstration. And then you can take that out. So you got your sticker, user manuals, obviously, and then the guide. Importantly, but you know I'm a dude, so I'm probably not going to read all that. And then, because it's a duo, you get two boxes because of it's two units here. For, let's say it's a couple that wants to buy a unit for two different helmets, all right? And then, but obviously if you're buying the 2X single, you'd only get one unit and one box. Now, as I said, these we already know. Okay, so you got your speakers over there. You got your clip mounts for the one device. But as I said, I already have a device already installed, so I'm not going to put that clip on this helmet. I'm just going to take that unit and just clip it on there and then change the speakers inside. You got your charging cable, you got your flexi microphone. Let's check this side. Oh, you got your Velcro patches over here, you got your Velcro patches over here. You got your two sets of speakers over there. You got your other clamp mounts and the flexi microphone. You also get a soft tail microphone as well. But as I said, I'm not going to install that because I already have those installed in this helmet already. If your helmet doesn't have these speaker cutaways, then you'll have to take the double-sided adhesive and then make your own, and then insert them for yourself on the side of the helmet. Now we take our, see it says JBL. Woo. Now we're gonna get some real cool bass. So here's the JBL speakers. And here's the normal stock standard speakers that you get with the Spirit HD. Almost the same size, but definitely sounds way better. As you know, the shorter side of the cable is going to come to the side of the unit. All we have to do is put in our cheek pads. We always remove the cheek pads for better wire management, and believe me, it just makes it easier. Now that we're done with all the cheek pads nice and steady in, now we just have to attach our unit. So we're going to take one from our duo pack, attach it, and we're good. There we go. I want to play some music. Okay, so let's see. let me find a song that I really like. Okay, let's play this song. Nice. And I'm gonna turn the volume up. And as you can see over there, that's how you can see that the volume is being turned up. Then you guys can listen while I'm riding. Woo!
Shawty gon' check that, bang that, drop that, hit that, pack that, kick that, send that, flip that.
Whoa. For any of the Cardo units, I'll leave my contacts in the description and give me code 62G and I'll give you a nice discount at checkout.